Pacific Coast Highway, baby. We're back on it. Feels like yesterday that I was just here when I made that trip all the way from the very top of California, the very beginning of Highway 1, and then I came all the way down to the end, way down south from here. I think it's like another 100 miles from here, but yeah, that was a fun trip. I'll leave a link to that, or put it at the end, because that was a very fun trip. If you're from California, or even if you're not, like that's something you should definitely do. It was just constant beautiful scenery the whole time. So yeah, Coastline Drive, Pacific Coast Highway. I wonder if I can get this shit to work. Woo! Look at all this traffic, man. Man, I'm gonna miss California though. Just for this one reason. Literally. I mean multiple, but everyone going over here? Everyone's going to Sunset Boulevard. Man, I am really gonna miss California for this. You don't understand. Thanks, buddy. About 3 miles out. Let's not scratch this McLaren. Why do you go up to make a less room? Oh, look at this. Your McLaren can't do this, man. Oh, there's our buddy up there that passed us earlier. Still up here. Oh, everyone's up here. It's a little party.